Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Students, in lesson number 14, we learned the use of the verbs has, have and had in sentences. Today, in lesson number 15, we will learn what is happening. That is, the use of verbs in sentences when an action is happening. So open page number 51 and let's begin. Karuna is sitting in a restaurant with her cousins. Read what she has to say. So look at the picture. Hi, I'm Karuna. I am eating dosa. These are my cousins Kush and Sneha. They are eating dosa as well. The man in the white dress is serving food. Now students, if you look carefully at the sentences, you will see that some of them are mentioned in blue. Am eating, are eating, is serving. Now these verbs are eating, am eating, and is serving show actions that are happening now, means in the present time. There are many ways of changing a verb. We have learnt about this in the earlier lessons. One of the most common ways of changing a verb is to add ing to the base form of the verb. Yes, students, in the earlier lessons, we have learned how to use ing to the base of the verb to show that the action is happening in the present time. For example, reading, eating, laughing, drawing, writing, etc. So students, if you look at the verb read and we want to show the action is happening as we are speaking of it right now in the present moment, we will add ing to it. Now students, turn to page number 52. Let's revise. Fill in the blanks with the correct ing forms of verbs from the box. So there is a help box that is given, students, and there are some verbs in it. Run, sing, write, talk. There are 4 sentences with pictures depicting what is happening. And we have to fit in the correct verb by adding ing to the base to show that the action is happening in the present time as we speak about it. First picture, you see these two boys, looks like they are having a conversation. Vishesh and Rohit are dash about the football match. Yes, we will choose the verb talk and we will add ing to the base so it becomes talking. Vishesh and Rohit are talking about the football match. Second, you can see this boy, what is he doing? Yes, he is running. Arpit is dash, he is late. The verb run will be changed to running because Arpit is running in this picture. The action is taking place in the present time. Next, Rosa is dash on a paper. What is Rosa doing, students? She is writing. So the verb from the help box write will become writing because we will add ing to its base. Writing. And the fourth picture you can see, my mother is dash on the stage. Yes, students, she is singing. So we will pick the verb sing from the help box, add ing and make it singing. Now, study this table. I am learning a poem. He is cooking for us. She is singing a beautiful song. You are working hard. We are standing in line. They are sleeping now. Neeta and Parul are studying for the test. Gaurang is wearing a party dress. Now, if you look carefully at this table, students, you will see on the left hand side, that is on the first part of the sentence, there are verbs which are in blue. Whereas in the second part of the sentence, there are also verbs which are inked in blue color. Now, am, is, are, these are also verbs, and learning, cooking, singing, and so on are also verbs. So, sometimes one verb is not enough to complete a sentence. So, sometimes we have to add these verbs am, is, are to the other verb, to the main verb, to make complete sense of the sentence. So, am, is, are, these are all helping verbs. What verbs are they? They are called helping verbs. So, turn to page number 53. Sometimes one verb is not enough to complete a sentence. So, look at the sentence here. I singing a song. This sounds incomplete, means it doesn't make complete sense. We have to add am before singing for the sentence to make sense. Now read the next sentence. I am singing a song. Therefore, we see that often we have to use verbs like is, are, am, was, and were along with the ing verbs so that sentences make complete sense. Alright. So, students, sometimes in some sentences, only adding the main verb does not give complete sense to the sentence. That is, it does not give a complete meaning. So, we have to use the helping verbs is, are, am, was, and were along with the ing verbs. Then they make complete sense. Now, let's revise so we get a better idea how we will use helping verbs in ing verbs. Look at the pictures and write down what is happening. So, the first picture you can see looks like this family is come out for a picnic. Correct? So, Amar and his family, there are two dashes, dash, space, dash, into bracket, go for a picnic. So, how are we going to reframe it? Amar and his family, we use the helping verb are. Go becomes going for a picnic. So, students, we took the helping verb are and we placed it before the verb going. Now it makes complete sense. Amar and his family are going for a picnic. Next. Bela dash dash feed the chickens. Bela, you put the helping verb is, feed becomes feeding the chickens. The action is happening as we speak about it. If you look at the picture, Bela is feeding the chickens. See, the answer comes automatically when you look at the picture. Third picture, the children dash dash play cricket. The action is happening as we speak of it. So, we will use the helping verb are. Play will become playing cricket. Alright. Now, move to the next sentence. Sentence number 4. Meenal dash dash give sweets to her friend. Now the action is happening as we speak of it, students. So we will use the helping verb is, and give becomes giving. Meenal is giving sweets to her friends. Look at the next picture, students. The boys dash dash pick tomatoes for lunch. The boys are, pick becomes picking tomatoes for lunch. And the last picture, you can see there are 3 children and they are enjoying a meal at the table. The children dash dash eat lunch. The children are eating lunch. They are eating their lunch in the moment, right now, in the present time. They are eating their lunch as we speak of them. Hence, we have taken the helping verb are and we have changed the verb eat to eating to make it in the present tense. Sentence number 7 is again related to the same picture. They dash dash talk while eating. They are talking while eating. The children are talking as they eat, so we write it as they are talking while eating. So in this way, students, we have solved this exercise with the help of the given pictures and the clues in the box, the clue verbs which we have changed to ing and taken the help of verbs, that is, are, am, was and were, to make complete sense of these sentences. Now look at question number C. Complete these sentences using is, are, am and adding the ing form of the verbs given in the bracket. First, my parents dash dash help me in my studies. So what are we going to do, students? We are going to first place a helping verb in the first dash in the blank space here, and in the second blank space next to it, we are going to add ing to this verb in the bracket and we are going to complete writing the sentence. My parents are. Help will become helping me in my studies. Next, these workers are. Build will become building a house. The cat is. Drink will become drinking milk. I dash dash read a storybook. I am reading a storybook. And the last one, Kanika's father dash dash ride a horse. Kanika's father is. Ride will become riding a horse. In this way, students, we have completed the sentence by using the correct helping verb and following it up with the verb in the ing form to show that the action is taking place in the present time as we speak of it. Students, today we have learned and understood how to use helping verbs whenever we have to add ing to the main verb to show that the action is happening in the present time. This is lesson number 15, what is happening. Students, the notes in the PDF format have been uploaded and you can complete the notes in your Sparkling Grammar textbook in neat handwriting. I will meet you in the next grammar class. Till then, stay safe, study well. Goodbye.